friends, I'm going to show you how you can make your own watercolor paints at home using common household ingredients. You'll need food coloring, vinegar, corn syrup, baking soda, cornstarch, and something to put your paint in. We'll start with a cup of baking soda, and then you slowly add 3/4 of a cup of vinegar. It's going to bubble, so you want to do it slowly. This is the part your kids will probably have the most fun with. When it's done bubbling, you're going to whisk the ingredients together. Oh, it's still bubbling. Start that a little bit. This part may take a while. Next, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of corn syrup. It is very sticky. And 1 cup of cornstarch. Oops. And then you're going to whisk that together as well. Once you whisk it, it's going to have a consistency a bit like Elmer's glue. Next, you're going to pour it into your containers. You can use an ice cube tray, or if you don't have one of those, you can make something. I stapled a bunch of cups together. Now you'll take your food coloring and add colors. Remember, you can mix colors to get ones you don't have already. So we'll do 2 drops of blue in that one, and then 1 drop of blue in that one, and 1 drop of blue in that one. Now yellow, we'll do a drop of yellow, and 2, and 1, and red. I'll put 1 drop of red in this one as well. A lot of food coloring comes with green, so let's try those too. You can really make whatever colors you like. Green. You can use a stick or a spoon to stir them together. And now we'll leave these to dry. It could take overnight, it could take up to 2 days. So let's see what happens when we let this dry for a while. It's been about 3 days. Now my paint is definitely dry. So we're going to try it out. I don't have any paintbrushes at home, so I'm going to use a Q-tip. So we'll dip a Q-tip in water. We'll swirl it around in our paint, and we'll see how it comes up. Now we can see it's not very dark. So if I tried this again, I'd probably use either more food coloring, or I'd put the paint into smaller containers. But that's okay. We try things and we learn from what we do. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.